Okay, greetings one and all, and welcome to what has to be day number one, week one. This is fall 2025 of our journey together. That's fall 2025 of our journey together, and it's definitely a delight to have each and every one of you here for this evening's classes. For some of you, this is your first time with me. For others, you have been in my class before. So I would like to say welcome. Um, in order for you to have a successful time in my class, you first, number one, you need to be paying attention. As you know, this is an online platform, so that means that you have to be disciplined enough to stay focused. And I will know if you're not paying attention because when I call your name and you're not speaking, or when I ask for the class notes and you're not able to give me it, then that means that you're not paying attention. So we need to make sure that we are paying attention. We need to make sure that we are giving our undivided attention for these lessons because someone is paying for these classes for you. And so you need to make sure that you're not wasting their money and also that you're not wasting your time or my time. All right. So let's make sure that we do that. So what should you have? You should have a notepad, a black and white book, preferably. If you don't have a black and white book, just something to write on and something to write with. It's going to be very important that you have those things. Can you all hear me clearly? Let me know if you can hear me clearly. Let me know. Y'all can hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. All right, good. So every time you respond to me when I speak, just say yes, sir, or no, sir. All right. No, yeah, I could think about it or whatever. Yes, sir, or no, sir. So we can get right into it. This is also important. Let me put this number on the screen. I'm also gonna put it in the chat as well. So the number that I'm gonna put right now, this is 426. Okay. 426-8891. 426-8891. This is the number that you're gonna send your notes to. So you have to add this number on WhatsApp. Okay, add this number on WhatsApp. And this is the number that you're gonna send your notes to, your class notes to. So all of your class notes that you're writing down, when you are finished writing them down, you're gonna take a picture and you're gonna send all of the notes to this number so that I can be able to see that you're writing the notes. Everyone must be writing their notes. Everyone must be following along. Okay, so the number is 426-8891. Let me put inside the chat again. So send class notes to this number. Okay, 426-8891. All right. Does that make sense to y'all? Let me know.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So that's the number. So write that down, 426-8891. I post that inside the chat as well. Okay, so I think it's time for us to start. Let's begin. We're gonna start off with maths. So the schedule for this evening is we're gonna start off with maths and then we're gonna end off with English. All right, so let's go right ahead and begin. Our drawings. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this. So all right, so my name is Mr. Petit. So write this down for me, please, Mr. Petit. Today is
Afternoon.
Cleveland. How are you doing, Cleveland?
Sorry about that. You see, my mic wasn't working properly, so I had to adjust it properly.
Yeah, perfect. Are you writing down the notes, Cleveland?
I already have my book head up.
All right, perfect. Today is the 1st of September, 2025. The subject is, of course, mathematics. Okay. And all right. Good. Make sure that you're writing down the notes. And today is Monday, the 1st of September. The topic is we're going to be doing sets. That's well, I think that we could call it we could call it the theme instead of calling it the topic because the actual topic for today is not sets. The actual topic for today is elements of a set. So let's say theme. So the theme is sets and the topic, or we could say the theme is set theory and the topic is elements of a set. Okay, so make sure you have this written down. Again, my name is Mr. Petit. Put that right there. The subject is, of course, mathematics. Let's highlight that in blue. Let's use a good blue for this one. So like this. The theme is set theory. So that's gonna be the theme that we're gonna be on for a short while. And then the topic is elements of a set. Elements of a set. So let me put this here. Boom. Okay, so let me put this like that. Lower it, and let's get it done. All right, so question to you all. Anyone can answer it. What is a set? What is a set? Anyone know? No one knows what is a set? What is a set?
A set is like a pair.
Say it again.
A set is like a pair.
Who's that speaking?
Albert Rocks.
Albert Rocks. So you're saying the set is a pair. When you say a pair, what do you mean? A pair of what?
Like two pairs
So a set can only have two things inside of it? As you think?
or more. Two or more.
Two or more things. Okay. Anyone else want to help out?
Mr. Petit,
Go ahead. Genesis.
is a set a group of numbers?
Okay, only a group of numbers, so only numbers go inside the set?
I think so. Wait, I think letters too.
Okay, letters. So sets only could have numbers or letters. Which one?
Only one, not both.
I'm asking.
I think it can have both.
You think you can have both? So fix your definition then, if you think you can have both.
A set is a group of numbers and letters.
So it only could have numbers and letters. It can't have nothing else but numbers and letters.
Yes, sir.
So fix your definition then.
A set is a group of only numbers and letters.
Okay. All right. So Genesis says that a set is a group of only numbers and letters. Anyone else want to help? Well, I see Brene. Wait, 1 second. Brene. Anderson. Go ahead, Brene.
A set is a well-defined collection of destruct objects.
That sounds like you Google that. I don't want you to Google it. I just want you to tell me from what you know from your head. All right. Anyone else?
A set is a group of specific things.
A set is a group of specific things. Okay. A group of specific things. When you say specific things, what do you mean? You're thinking about it. Okay. Marie iPhone.
Hi. Good day.
Yes. I see your mic is on. You want to say something?
No, not right now.
Okay. You can mute it, or let me mute it for you. All right. So let's begin and define a set. A set is a lot of you are on the right path. So basically, I'm going to give you the simple definition. So let's say we have this thing here, and let's say I put inside there orange. Okay. What else could I put inside of there? Apple. What else could I put?
Grape.
Grape. Good. What else could I put?
Banana.
Banana, right? I could put dilly, right? So what is this? This is a group of what? This is a group of
Fruits.
A group of fruits, yeah. But this is a set, right? So a set is a group of things. Simply put,
Okay.
yeah, a group of things. It could be anything, right? Once it's a well-defined, once it has well-defined characteristics, we could put it inside the set, right? So it could be a group of apples. It could be a group of, I say a group of apples. It could be a group of fruits. It could be a group of numbers. It could be a group of letters. It could be a group of names. So it could be Melissa, Mary. Give me another M name. Michael. What other M name we have? Malik, Malia, right? So it could be a group of M names. Once it's a group of things, we call it a set. Does that make sense? So simply put, a set is a group of what?
A group of things.
A group of things. Very good. So a set is a group of things. That's the basic definition of a set. All right. or simple definition of set. So let's write that down. All right, so let me clear all drawings. You don't have to write this part. Let's get into the actual stuff. All right, so boom. Okay, so simply put, or I could say in simple terms, we can say that a set is what? Is a group. Is a group
of things.
A group of things. Very good. Set of a group of things. Ajani, what is a set? Ajani. Where's Ajani? Ajani, can you hear me? Where's Ajani? I can't hear from Ajani. Albert Rocks, what is a set? Simply put.
A set is a group of things.
Very good. A set is a group of things. Does it only have to have numbers inside of it? Anyone can answer?
No, sir.
No. It could have anything inside of it. So to be more specific, let's say more specifically, if we want to be more technical, more specifically, a set is, and I think someone was giving me, Brene was giving me this definition. A set is a collection. What's another word for collection? It's a collection.
Group.
Group, very good. It's a collection, right? A set is a collection of distinct. When we say distinct means that it's you don't have overlapping. So you can't have AA, you can't have BB, you can't have sorry, you can't have apple. It have to be distinct. So it can't be the same. So no overlapping stuff. Distinct, well-defined objects forming a group. Okay. All right. So what's his name? I don't know if it's a male or female, but Ashante. Where's Ashante?
Yes, sir.
Good. Can you read the 2 sentences that we have on the set?
In simple terms, we can say that a set is a group of things. More specifically, a set is a collection of distinct, well-defined objects forming a group.
Very good. Very good, Ashanti. You understand so far what we saying what a set is, right, Ashanti?
Yes, sir.
Good. All right, so perfect. So now, Brene, can only numbers be inside a set?
No. No, ma'am.
No, mom. Oh gosh. I sound like a lady?
No, sir.
All right. There can be, very good. There can be any number of items. So it don't have a limit. So a set could be small, a set could be very large. A set could have an infinite amount of objects, or it could have very few. So there's no limit on it. Be it a collection of numbers, okay, months of the year. And I know that the best month of the year is definitely April. All right, so
December.
the best month is April. Anybody believe that the best month of the year is April? You agree?
No.
Yes.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
I think
Yes.
it's July.
December. Christmas.
April. Christmas. That has to be April. I believe it's April. One can't tell me different. All right. So month of the year. Put inside the chat what you think the best month is. Let me see. I hope it's April. Yeah, better pick April. Put inside the chat what you think the best month of the year is. Go ahead. Sit again.
Okay. No problem.
All right. All right. So February, July, June, November, August. No man. April. I guess that's your birthday month. That's nothing wrong with that. Okay, so it could be a collection of months of the year. It could be types of birds. It could be types of fishes. Anybody can give me a set containing types of fishes? Give me a set. Or I could say names of fishes.
Snapper, barracuda.
Snapper, barracuda. What else?
Cod, salmon.
Okay. All right. A lot of fish. Okay, cool. And so on. Okay. So it doesn't only have to be and so on. Okay, so each item, this is very important. Each item in a set is known as the element of a set. So that's a very important thing. Every member in the set, we call it an element of a set. Okay. So Carlton Scrawn, where's Carlton? Carlton, can you hear me? Where's Carlton? Carlton Scrawn, can you hear me? Oh, I can't hear you. It sounds muffled. Carlton, can you answer in the chat? Because it just sounds muffled. Yeah, okay, Carlton, what do we call each member of the set, Carlton? And while Carlton answers in the chat, Sion, or Sion.
Yes, sir.
How you pronounce your name?
Sion.
Sion. What do we call each member of a set?
Elements of a set.
An element of a set. Very good. And Cordell Pratt, what do we call each member of a set? Cordell. I can't hear from Cordell. Cordell, can you hear me? Cleveland, what do we call each member of a set?
Pardon?
What do we call each member of a set?
We call each member of a set an element.
An element of a set. Very good. So we call it an element of a set. Okay, so each item in a set, or I could say each item or member. Okay, or member. Same thing. In a set is known as the element of a set. Okay, so for sets, we use a special type of brackets. Anyone know the special type of brackets that we use for sets?
Curly bracket.
Very good. Okay, Brene, very good. Curly brackets. So by the way, anyone have ever learned sets before anyone ever familiar with
Yes,
sets?
sir.
Shall
Yes,
know?
sir.
Good.
No.
Good. So this is review for some, but some
Yes,
people this is new. Good. So we use curly brackets. We use curly brackets while writing a set. Okay. We also use, so very important that we use curly brackets for writing the set. Curly brackets. So no parentheses, no box brackets. We use curly brackets. Okay. When writing a set. Okay. We also name sets using typically, this is typically now. We typically name our sets using what type of letters? Using capital letters. Okay. Consider an example of a set. So let me write a set. This is going to be my first time writing a set in this class. Well, a set of numbers, that is. So I'm going to use this, there's this symbols thing that they have here. Let me use that. So we could write the set. So let's use this, the equation. So what letter you want to use to call the set? Because it has to be a capital letter. What letter we can use? Anyone? No one have any particular favorites?
A.
You want to use A? Okay, let's use
C.
C, A. Okay, let's use A since you said A first. So let's say A is equal to, and give me some things to put in. So first of all, am I going to use this bracket?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, but I said that we use brackets, right? So why am I not going to use this one?
You said curly brackets.
Okay, no problem. So that means that I'm going to use this one, right?
No,
That's
sir.
not curly.
No, okay, still not curly. Okay, so that means that I'm going to use See if I could find it. That means I'm gonna use I was gonna use this, right? What's that?
No, sir.
That's
Incorrect.
brackets.
Incorrect.
It's
That's
curly.
not
It's curly, right?
But it's not a
Okay.
bracket.
It's not a bracket. Okay, so I guess it's this.
Yes,
Yes,
correct.
sir.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
So we use that. So it's gonna be 1, 3, 5, 7. What's gonna be the next number?
9.
9. 9. Very good. This is a set of what?
Odd numbers.
Set of odd numbers. Very good. So, so this is a set. The set containing the numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Okay. So, this set. So I have a very important question for you all. I'm gonna ask. Raise your hand if you want me to ask this question. It's a hard question. So if you don't want to embarrass yourself, don't embarrass yourself. Okay. Devonique. That's your name?
Devonique.
How you pronounce it?
Devonique.
Devonique. That's a very unique name. I like it. Devonique, you ready for this question?
Yes, sir.
You sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. My question is, how many elements are in this set?
5.
5. Is she correct? Is there 5 elements in the set?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, there's 5 elements. What are the elements in the set?
1, 3, 5, 7, and 9.
Very good. 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. So this set has 5 elements. Now, since this set has 5 elements, okay, since this set has 5 elements, we write, there's a specific notation that we use to say that the number of elements in the set is 5. Okay, some of you may know it, some of you may not know it, but the notation that we use is the following. We say this one. We say, let me write it out. We say n, let me fix it, n, open bracket, a equals 5. Y'all see that? This is how we write that the number of elements in the set is 5. That's what that means. Okay? Okay, good stuff. So, a quick recap. Let me do a quick recap. We say that a set is a group of things. It could be a group of anything. It could be numbers, month of the year, birds, fishes, people's names, whatever. We use curly brackets when writing a set. We also use capital letters to name a set, and we write the number of elements inside a set equals to a specific number using this notation. Okay, so where is who's the next person? Danaj Moss. Danaj Moss.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Danaj Moss, read the first 2 sentences for me, please. After Danaj, after Danaj reads the first 2. Who's next person?
You mean like in simple terms?
Yeah, starting from that. Go ahead, read that.
In simple terms, we can say that a set is a group of things. More specifically, a set is a collection of distinct, well-defined objects forming a group.
Very good. Kailia, start from there can be.
There can be any number items, be it a collection of numbers, months of the years, types of birds, names of fishes, and so on.
Continue.
Each item or member in a set is known as the element of a set. We use curly brackets while writing a set. We also name sets, typically using capital letters. Consider an example of a set A equals 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. This set has 5 elements. Since this set has 5 elements, we write n, A equals 5.
Very good. All right, so does anyone have any questions for me? Or y'all understand it so far? Let me know. Let me know, please. You have to speak to me. You have to speak. When I ask a question, you have to speak. So I'm not only talking to 3 persons. Do y'all understand this? Let me know, please.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sorry.
Yes, sir.
Good. All right, so let's move on. Cleveland, you say kind of?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we can clarify it right now, okay? So let's start off with our first example. So hopefully the example is gonna help. So in each case, state the number of elements. By the way, are we writing these notes down? Are we writing these notes down? Let me know if
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ajani, Albert, I'm talking to y'all too. Are y'all writing the notes down? Let
Yes,
me know,
sir.
please.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And Gina, where's Gina? Gina, can you hear me? Where's Gina? For some reason, I can't hear from Gina. Gina, can you hear me? Gina, can't hear from Gina. And Izzy,
Yes, sir.
can you put your actual name? What's your name? So I can call you by
Israel.
Israel. Okay, yeah, that's a pretty name. So put your right name inside the chat so I wouldn't call you Izzy. And Jasmine Moss. Jasmine Moss.
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do you understand what we're doing so far?
Yes, sir.
Are you writing the notes down?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So in each case, sorry, it's supposed to be in each case, state the number of elements in the set given. Okay. State the number of elements in the set given. So number one. So I'm going to give you a set, okay? And then I want you to tell me the number of elements inside the set. Okay. So write this down inside of your book, but put the answers in the chat. Right? You can still answer it inside of your book, but if you want to participate, put the answers inside the chat. Don't say it out loud because I don't want to just give away the answer. All right. So let's go ahead and practice. So we have 2, 4, 6, and 8. Okay. And our goal is to figure out what is the number of elements. So there's gonna be number of elements A in the set. That's what our goal is to do. Figure out the number of elements in the set. Okay. Oh gosh, that did not go well. Cool. Next, okay, number 2. We have it's supposed to be A is equal to, and for number 2 we have A is equal to Sunday. Let's fix that. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Again, our goal. Again, put your answer where? In the chat. And is equal to, and open bracket is equal to what that is, okay? And so that's what we want to do. We want to figure out what that is. So, all right. So, is there anyone who's finished with the 2?
Me.
Me? All right.
I am.
All right. Inside the chat, you have to number it. So you have to put number 1, whatever, number 2, whatever, so I can know exactly what it is. All right. Gina, where's Gina? Is Gina here? Where's Gina?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I was calling you earlier. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
You have to be paying attention, okay? You understand me? You understand me, Gina?
Yes, sir.
Good. Are you writing the notes
Yes,
down?
sir.
Are you writing the notes down?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you put your answer in the chat for these 2 examples?
Okay.
You have to do that. So let's answer it, Gina. Answer it with me. So, by the way, one more time, class. You all have the answers for number 1 and number 2 inside the chat. Let me know if you all have it.
Still writing.
Still writing? Anyone has the answers in the chat for number 1 and number 2?
I sent it.
You sent it already?
Sent it
All
already.
right.
Yes,
All right.
sir.
Who think their answer is absolutely correct? Like it's 100% correct.
Me.
Me.
All right.
Me.
All right. Who is 80% confident? 80%.
Me.
80%. Okay. All right, Gina, I need you to help me with number 1. Number 1 says, in each case, state the number of elements in the set given. Gina, what's your answer for this one?
4.
4. Why you say 4?
Because there's 4 numbers.
Very good. She's absolutely correct. Did anyone else have 4 for this one?
Yes, sir.
Anyone else have 4?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So
Yes,
all
sir.
of us know that
Yes,
the
sir.
number of elements, right there, the number of elements is what? Is 4. If you got it right, please put a tick inside your book. If you got it wrong, please make the correction. Hopefully everyone got it right. Who wants to do number 2? Who wants to do number 2? Number
Me.
2. Omara?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Go ahead for number 2. For number 2, we have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Inside the set, what is the answer, 12?
3.
3. Very good. Anyone else have 3 for this one? Anyone else
Yes,
have
sir.
3?
Me.
3. Very
Yeah.
good. So what does that mean? That means that the number of elements in the set A is what? Is what?
3.
3. Very good. All right. So, Jasmine Moss, you have this? Let me know.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So let's move on to the next one. This is going to be number 3. So for number 3, I want you to put your answer inside the chat as well. This one is going to be a little tricky, so pay attention closely. All right, don't let me trick you. So number 3, that's going to be our third one. Again, do not let me trick you. You hear me, Rochelle? No?
Yes, sir.
Good. So this is going to be, we're going to have for this one, 101, 201, 301, 501, 601, 701. All right. And again, the goal is to put the number of elements inside the number of elements in A. I want everyone to answer number 3 for me. Put your answer inside the chat for me. We said that A is 4. We got that. We said that B is number 2 is 3. Okay. And we have the figure with number 3 is. Okay, put your answer inside the chat for me, please. Put your answer inside the chat. I see answers are coming in. Put your answer inside the chat for me as well. Sharonik Brown, where's Sharonik? Sharonik, can you hear me?
Yes.
Do you understand what we're doing, Sharonik?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This makes sense to you?
Yes, sir.
That's good. Are you writing the notes down?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. And Samaya? Samaya, are you there?
Yes, sir.
This is Samaya?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, wow. How are you doing?
I'm good.
You sure?
Yes, sir.
Probably all grown up now, eh? Okay, so do you understand this? Do you understand this, Samaya?
Yes, sir.
You sure?
Yes, sir.
Let me check. For number 2, what you add for number 2?
Well, 5.
What you add for number 2?
For number 2,
Uh-huh.
I had 3. For number 1, I had.
Why did you add 3 for number 2?
Because there's 3 of the elements in the set.
Very good, that's correct. And why did you have 4 for number 1?
Because there's 4 numbers in the element of the set.
There's 4 elements inside the set, there are 4 numbers inside the set. And yes,
Yes, sir.
I do. Go ahead. Yes.
May
Very
I
fair.
really quickly, please?
Yes, we can. Very good, Samaya.
Thank you.
Very good. I think your mommy is asking if I remember you. I do remember you, of course. How could I forget? Samaya. All right. Okay, who am I missing? Ronika? Where's Ronika?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand what we're doing?
Yes, sir.
That's good. And Rodrigo, how about you?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
That's good. Okay, so Marie, where's Marie?
Excuse me, Mr. Petit, are you able to see my answers in the chat?
Yes, I'm able to see your answers. Only me are able to see your answers.
Noted.
That's why you might only be seeing your messages. Only me is I'm able to see your answers. That way, if you get it wrong, at least you won't be embarrassed. You know,
I'm not sure I'm unable to see it, that's why I asked.
you're not able to see your own comments.
Right,
Wow,
correct.
that's interesting. The rest of y'all, can y'all see your own comments?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that might be a Wi-Fi thing,
Yes, sir.
but I could see your comments. Okay, so
Okay.
what do we have for number? Wait, no. Let me see. Has everyone answered number 3 as yet?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
What do y'all have for number 3?
6.
6.
7, right?
No, sir. 6.
Who think it's
6.
7? Who think it's 7? Did anyone put 7?
Can I explain?
Did anyone put 7? Anyone put 7? No one put 7?
The crickets are chirping.
Wow. Did anyone put 6?
Me.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Did anyone put 5?
also put 6.
5. No, 5. Okay. All right. So the answer is definitely where's Genesis when you need a with a drum roll? But the answer is definitely 6. 6. And all those who put 6, you're absolutely correct. Why did you put 6? So why do we put 6?
Because as there are
There are 6 numbers in the element.
Very good. There are 6 elements in the set. So what number did I skip? Did anyone notice that I skipped something?
I noticed.
401.
401. Very good. Y'all are very smart. Good. So what I want y'all to do, I'm gonna put the number again. My number is 426. Put inside the chat. 426 8891. I want you to take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. You're gonna do that, and you're also gonna put your name. Okay, so I could know that it's you. All right. So so far I have Cleveland's work already. The rest of you, I need you to put your answers inside the chat. All right, I have Davanique. I see Davanique. I see Omara. Davanique, Omara, Jed. Very good, Jed. Jed, you understand what we're doing? That's Jed. Jed Monroe.
Yes, I understand.
Good. I want you to keep it just like that. Always send your notes and stuff, okay?
Yes, sir.
Good. All right, the rest of us, Ashante, Sharonique, please put your name. Make sure put your name. Put your name. Put your name. Put your name. I need to see your name. I see Cordell. I see Ashanti. I see this person. Oh, Genesis. Okay, that's Genesis. I see Sharonique Brown. Lindira. Very good. Davanique. Omara. Okay. Please put your name. The rest of us, I need you to send your work. Bridget, have you sent in your work? Bridget, where's Bridget? Thank you, Rodrigo. Thank you, Nikki.
I'm sending it now, okay? This is Bridget.
Okay, no problem. Where's
Yes,
Nikki?
sir.
Thank you. Where's Nikki Oliver? Nikki Oliver, can you hear me? Where's Nikki Oliver?
I'm here.
Okay, you have to write it down.
Oh, I am
Yes.
right down here.
Yeah.
On
You
my
have
book?
yes. You
Oh,
have to
yeah,
write it down.
So take a
Yeah.
picture of my book.
Take a picture of your book, not my notes. But you
Okay.
understand so far what we're doing, right?
Yeah, I understand.
Okay, good. Okay, Bridget. Thank you, Bridget. Thank you, Rodrigo. Thank you, Dinaj. Rachel, no, very good. And Albert, very good. Ajani, where's Ajani? Where's Ajani? Ajani, can you hear me? Where's Ajani? Ajani, you have to speak into the mic, Ajani. I can't hear you. Ajani, you have to speak into the mic. I think your mic is not working. But Ajani, you need to send in the notes. Ajani, where's Ajani? Ajani, you need to send in the notes. You haven't sent in the notes. You have to send in the notes. Thank you, Samantha. Thank you, Coney. Thank you, Sion Fraser. Very good.
Lisa, I ain't get your number.
It's right on the screen, right out. 426-8891. You can see it?
So,
Okay, good. And my name is Mr. Petit. Okay, O'Neill. So take a picture of your work and send it to me.
So,
good. And who else am I missing? All right, I think that's everyone. Okay. All right, the rest of us, please take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. And then so we could move along. All right, so let's move on from this. So hopefully we understand how do we do an element of a set? Like, what is the element? So far, what have we covered? What is the element of a set? And how do we write how many elements of a set that we have? So we dealt with elements of a set and number of elements of a set. So there's a specific way that we write. Let me put my number inside the chat. 426-8891. There's a specific way that we write is an element of. And so that's what we're going to be looking at right now. Rachel, no, you sent in your work? Where's Rachel?
Yes,
No?
sir.
Okay, good. So let's go ahead and keep that. So let's go and move on from right now. Okay, so write this down for me, please. This is the next slide. So we have, where's Malik? Malik, can you hear me? Malik Rule.
I'm sorry. Yes, sir. I'm here.
All right, good. You have to participate in the class. I could barely hear you.
My bad, sir.
All right. Okay, good. Oh, Meg. Okay, I see it now. So, all right. So let's go ahead and begin. So we could say right now that for the elements. So elements, or we could say members, okay, are the terms or items present in a set. I think we pretty much understand that that's the case, right? So when we talk about elements or members, they're the same thing. We're talking about the same thing. Elements or members are terms or items present inside the set. That's what we have inside the set. Okay. Like I say, it could be anything. All right. Numbers, letters, whatever. Now, they are. Now, whenever you write a set, not only do we need to pay attention to the curly brackets, but how do we separate the elements in the set? How do we separate them? How do we separate them? No. They are, let me move this. They are enclosed in a closed bracket, in a curly bracket, in curly brackets, and separated by what? By, how do we separate the elements? And we have one element, we separate the next one by
With
what?
commas?
Yeah, with commas. Very good, with commas. Separated by commas. To represent that an element is contained in a set, we use the symbol. We use the symbol. Anyone know the symbol that we use? Before I give it away. Anyone know the symbol that we use for?
A capital E.
A capital E? Capital E? Not capital.
Curly, curly,
Say it, say it again.
curly bracket.
Curly bracket? No.
Would it be
Not
like
curly
a curly E?
Is it a U?
A U, not a U. Not a U.
Or you with a slice in it.
A U with a slice in it. So like this. A U with a slice in it.
No, like a U with a slice going through it, like
Or
a
a
no
U.
U.
Oh, like a U going through it like that.
Yes.
Is that right? As an element of? Is that
Would it
right?
be C?
Yeah. Say it again.
C?
A C. Okay, a C with what?
With a line.
With a line. With a line. Very good. A C with a line through it. Very good. 1 second. Okay, a C with a line through it. But would we put a line through it yet? We just say an element, right? So we don't put a line through it yet. So we use a symbol, this E symbol, right? To say that what is an element of. So it. So it is read as belongs to, right? Belongs to or element of. Element of. Okay, belongs to or element of. Where is Leandra Clark?
Yes, sir.
Okay, go ahead. Can you read what we have so far?
Elements or members. Elements or members are the term or item present. They are enclosed in curly brackets and separated by commas to represent that element. To represent an element is contained in a set. We use the symbol
You could say E. Yeah.
E. It is read as belongs to or element of.
Very good. Or element of. Thank you. And O'Neill Cash. Where's O'Neill?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead and read what we have. Elements or members.
Elements or members are the terms or items present in a set. They are enclosed in curly brackets and separated by commas to
represent.
By commas the commas to represent that an element is contained in a set. We use the symbol
E.
That's a E?
Yeah, that's a E.
E. It is read as belongs to or element of.
Very good. It's read as belongs to or element of. Okay, so what if we want to say that it does not belong to? So if an element does not belong to the set, what do we say? We write what?
The E with the
Say it again.
with the line going through it.
With the line going through it, okay. Is Israel, you have to change your name. You know how to change your name?
No.
Okay, spell your name for me.
ISR.
I-S.
R.
Uh-huh.
I-E.
I-E.
L-L-E.
L-L-E?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Israel. Okay, nice name. Okay, it's changed. So if an element does not belong to the set, we write what? What do we write? Let's go ahead. Some of you are saying it already. We write this thing. It's like boom.
It's like a C with a line in it.
With a line in it. Very good. Very good. So this red is not an element of. So what does the symbol mean, class? What does the symbol mean? The
It's
symbol
not
right-
an element
Where
of.
it is not an element.
It's not an element.
It's not an element. I'm not only talking to two persons. What does the symbol mean, people?
Not an
one.
element of.
Not an element of.
Not an element of.
Oh,
Very good. Not an element of. So we write that symbol, right? This symbol. We could say the E with a cross through it, right? To say that it does not belong. So now we're gonna have an example, and the example is going to be tricky. I ain't gonna lie to you. So you ought to be paying close attention, because this, especially these sort of questions, students like to get wrong. Not because they don't know what it means. It's just it's a tricky thing. So, so just pay close attention to this. Okay. So write true or false. Okay, write true or false to the statement, the mathematical statement given. Okay, right, true or false to the mathematical statement given. So we say, right? We say A, let me put this over here. So let me corner it on the side there. So number 1, where's Ajani? Ajani, can you hear me? Where's Ajani? Ajani, can you hear me? Where's Ajani? Ajani, can you hear me? Ajani, if you could hear me, you need to send in your notes. You need to send in your notes. I'm not about to do the same thing like last semester where I run off different notes. You have to send in your notes, Ajani. You already start off the semester wrong. You have to send your notes, Ajani. Come on. And I could clearly see that you haven't sent your notes. And for those of you who have not sent in your notes as well, do not be like Ajani. Send in your notes, please. This is not a class where you just sit down and watch me write. You have to send in your notes, all right? So we have the set, and the set contains the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And the first question is, so we say 2, right? Sorry, 2, and 2, this, E, what is that? 2E, A, okay. It might be better if I just use the actual big symbol because it's kind of bigger. Okay. Okay, good. This is nice. 2EA. Is this true or is this false?
It's true.
It's true?
True.
All right. How many persons think this is true? Let me hear you. How many persons think this is true?
True.
This is true?
True.
How many persons think it's true?
It's true.
True. Okay, how many persons think it's false? How many persons think it's false?
It's true because it's an element of A.
Okay, it's true because what is the element of A?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, first of all, what is this saying in words? What does this mean in words?
Is
Two belongs
Two is an
to
element of.
What?
Elements of A.
2 is an element of A.
Very good. 2 is the element of A. iPhone? Where's iPhone?
Excuse me, miss. Can you ask Cristiano what it is?
What's his name?
Cristiano Smith. He don't like to talk. He like to play shy. And he likes
Oh, okay, that's good. Tell me his name again.
Cristiano Smith.
Cristiano Smith. You have to change your name because all I see is iPhone. So let me change it for you. Spell your name, Cristiano.
C-R-I.
Say it again.
C-R-I.
C-R-I.
S-T-I.
S-T-I.
A-N-O.
A-N-O. Smith. Okay. All right, so we could start off with you. You just arrived, Cristiano?
Yes, ma'am.
It's a male, actually. So yes, sir. All right.
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay, so the way how we read this statement, Cristiano, the rest of the class, we can help him. Class, how do we read this?
2 is an element of A.
Very good. 2 is an element of A. Okay, so you heard them, Cristiano?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Sorry, sir.
good. Okay. 2 is an element of A. Now, when we say element, Cristiano, we mean that 2 belongs in there, or 2 is a part of it. So the question is, Cristiano, is 2 a part of the set?
Yes, sir.
Good. So is the statement true or is the statement false?
True.
Statement is true. Very good. Do you have a book?
Yes, sir. Right there.
You have to write down these notes. And when you write down the notes, you see this number on the screen. Let me put on the screen, 426,
Yes, sir.
88, 88, 91. Take a picture of your notes and send it to me. All right? But you have to write down the notes and not just look at the screen. Do you understand that?
Okay, yes, sir.
Good. So, class, do we understand this? This answer for this one is what?
True.
True. True. Very good. True. True. Good. All right. Who believe that I can't trick them? You think I can't trick you with this?
I'm confident you probably can trick me.
I can't trick you? Can't trick you. Okay.
Not me either.
Okay. I can't
If you're
trick you.
not listening.
Okay. All right. So you say I can't trick them. So let me give you all a hard one. All right. 7. Okay. 7. It's gonna be, put this here. 7. Let's use this symbol. 7. A. Is this true or is this
Yes, sir.
false?
It's true.
True.
Wait 1 second. Let me write it again. Well, okay, let's control U. Okay, good. So we have the question right here. So 7 something A. Is this true or is this false?
It's true.
It's true. It's true. It's true. Why y'all saying it's true?
Because it's not
Because it reads 7 is not an element of A.
7 is not a part of the element.
That's very good. Very
in
good.
simple form, it's just not even in the elements.
Okay, good. So what we have here is that how do we read it? How do we read it? How do we read this?
7 is
Seven is not an element of A.
Very good. So let me write that down somewhere so persons who don't know how to read it could understand. So we read it as 7 is not a member or is not an element of A. Is that true or is that false?
True.
That's
It's
absolutely
true.
true. That's absolutely true. Because 7 is not there because the numbers stop at what? The numbers stop at
5.
5. So the answer here is definitely true. Definitely true. Okay. I think you're pretty good. I think you're pretty good at this. So Kylia, you understand this? That's Kylia.
Yes, sir.
You're not answering. You don't have to be shy, you know. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Cristiano, do you understand this? Cristiano.
Number 2?
Number 2, yes.
No, sir.
Okay. So number 2, you see this line in the middle?
Yes, sir.
That means it's not an element of. That means it's not a part of it. Okay?
Sure.
So let's read 7 is not a part or is not an element of A. Now let's look at A. Is 7 here?
No, sir.
Good.
Sir.
So is 7 a part of A?
Yes, sir.
Is 7 a part of A?
No, sir. No, sir.
Exactly. So this is saying 7 is not a part of A. Is that true or false?
True.
That's true. Why is it true?
Because 7 is not in section A.
Very good. Because 7 is not an element of A. All right. So that's pretty straightforward. Are we writing this class or are y'all just looking at me right on the screen? Are we writing this?
I'm writing it down.
That's only one person. The rest of
Yes,
us, are we
sir.
writing this down?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We're writing it down.
Okay. Good. 2 is an element. 2 is an element of A. Okay, good. Now I know some of you are not writing notes down, but trust me, I will track you down and I will find you who is not writing the notes because you have to write down the notes. All right, and send it to me via WhatsApp. Okay. Don't say, oh, Mr. Petit, I write it down, but I ain't send it. No, if you write it down, you have to send it. You have to send it to me so I could verify. I'm not just gonna take your word for it. So make sure once you write down the notes, take a picture of it and send it to this number 426-8891. That's my number. Send all of the notes to this number. Okay. Okay, so y'all got that too easy. So let's go ahead and do another one. Let's say 5 something A. What do we have for this one? True or false?
True.
True.
True. Why are we saying true?
Because 5
Because
is an
it
element.
says 5 is an element.
Because 5 is an element of A.
Very good, because 5 is an element of A. Do you all understand this or you all don't understand? Let me know if you understand this, please. Let me know if you understand this.
I understand.
I understand.
Anyone who do not understand? Anyone who do not understand what we're doing? Okay.
Yes, an A is an element of truth.
Where is Ronika? 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 Where's
Yes.
Ronika?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand this? Where's Ronika?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and Cristiano Smith. For number
Yeah.
3, how do we read number 3?
5A.
5 is an element.
5 is an element of A.
Very good. Is that true or false?
True.
That's true. Very good. That is true. How many persons put true for number 3? True. How many persons put true for number 3?
Me.
Very good. Very
I
good.
did.
Very good.
Me.
So that's gonna be 5 is an element of A. Cool. Next up, let me go ahead and that and boom. And finally, not finally, there's 2 more. For these 2, put your answers inside the chat. Still write them down, obviously, still write them down, but put your answers inside the chat and we're gonna verify it together. So it's gonna be number 4. Oh, just one more. Put the answer inside the chat for me, please. Put your answer inside the chat. 3 something, whatever that means. A. Okay, 3 something, whatever that means. A. Put your answer inside the chat for me, please. And we see how it goes for this one. All right. All right, so where's Ajani? Ajani, can you hear me? Where's Ajani? Ajani, are you there? Where's Ajani? Ajani off and on. I don't see Ajani. Dalvinique Glidden. Where's Dalvinique? Or Davinique, sorry. Davinique.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand this?
Yes, sir.
That's good. And D'Angelo Smith. Where's D'Angelo Smith? D'Angelo Smith, can you hear me? I can't hear from D'Angelo Smith. D'Angelo Smith, can you hear me? Where's D'Angelo? D'Angelo, can you hear me? Danaj Moss, can you hear me? Where's Danaj Moss?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand what we're doing?
Yes, sir.
Question, has anyone answered number 4 yet? Has anyone answered number 4 yet?
I did.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
What y'all have for number 4?
False.
What y'all have for number 4? False?
False.
Okay, false. Okay, false. So the answer is definitely what? False. 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 Okay. Why is it false?
Because it's not true that 3 is not an element.
Why is it false?
3 is an
3 is an element of A.
3 is an element of A. 3 is an element of A. So we can't say that 3 is not an element of A, okay? Because 3 is right here. Like 3 literally is right here, okay? So 3 is an element of A. 3 is an element of A. So we can't say that 3 is not an element of A, all right? So that's very important. Jasmine Moss. Where's Jasmine Moss? Where's Jasmine
Yes,
Moss?
sir.
I saw your question. Can you message me on my phone so I can answer? It's on the phone.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, so that's right. Let's read this. It's gonna say 3 is not an element of A. 3 is not an element of A, and that's false because 3 is an element of A. So what I want you all to do right now is I want you to first thing, take a picture of your notes and send it to me via WhatsApp. I need everyone to do that. Take a picture of your notes and send it to me via WhatsApp. D'Angelo Smith, Johnny, I need to see your notes. Cristiano, I need to see your notes as well. Again, take a picture of your notes and send it to me via WhatsApp. I have Cleveland. Carlton Scrawn, can you hear me? Where's Carlton? Carlton Scrawn. Carlton Scrawn, where's Carlton? Carlton Scrawn, can you hear me? Where's Carlton? I can't hear from Carlton. Carlton Scrawn, can you hear me? Make sure when you send when you send your work the first time, please put your name. When you send your work the first time, please put your name, okay? Where's Carlton Scrawn? Carlton, can you hear me? Can't hear from Carlton. Samaya, can you hear me? Where's Samaya? Samaya. Okay. Are you sending your notes?
Yes, I just send it.
Okay. Jalispa, are you sending in your work? Where's Jalispa?
Sir.
Are you sending in your work?
Yes, sir.
That's good. Sharonique Brown, are you sending in your work? Where's Sharonique Brown?
Yes, sir.
Are you sending in your work?
Yes, sir.
That's good. Peaches, where's Peaches? Where's Peaches? Peaches, where's Peaches? Peaches. Can't have from Peaches. O'Neal Cash, where's O'Neal? O'Neal Cash, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Have you sent in your notes as yet?
I about to.
Did you send in the first one?
No, sir.
Okay. You have to send in your notes, O'Neal. You have to send in your work. Do you understand
Yes,
that?
sir.
Otherwise,
Sir.
the only thing I could think is that you're not writing them down.
I
Okay.
didn't get to finish the first
Okay.
because I come late and then you were gone fast.
Okay, so you have to write this one down. You understand me?
Sir.
Good. And Sam, is there a Sam here? Just Sam.
Yes.
Who's yes? It's either yes or no, so okay.
Yes, oh, sorry.
Is that your name, Sam? Just Sam?
Samantha.
Samantha. Okay. Samantha, you sent in your work?
Yes, I sent a picture.
Did you put your name next to it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good, perfect. And Rodrigo, have you sent in your work as yet?
I'm taking a picture right now.
Good. Okay, so what's next for us to do right now is, should we do a quiz on this or y'all don't want a quiz?
Yes, sir.
You want to do a quiz?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You want to do a quiz?
Sounds
Now,
entertaining.
now y'all should, I hope y'all do well on the quiz now. I hope y'all do well on the quiz. Who think they can do extremely well on the quiz? Let me hear you. Who think?
Me.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. We'll see. Okay, so when I put the quiz inside the chat, what I need you to do is once you have started the quiz, put started inside the chat. You understand? Once you've started the quiz, please put start inside the chat. For those of you who were here with me last time, what's the passing score? For those of you who were here with me last time, what's the passing score? Anyone remember?
80% or higher.
80%. Very good. 80% or higher. So make sure you get that 80%. So I'm gonna send the first two. Once you've started the quiz, please put started inside the chat. Once you've started the quiz, please put started inside the chat. Again, once you've started the quiz, please put started inside the chat. The quiz is inside the chat. So I need you all to start it. You have to get at least 80% on them before you move on to the next one. Okay, so make sure you do that. Okay. So I'm on my side, I'm going to be able to see your answers. Okay. So yeah. So that means that you can't lie to me and say, oh, Mr. Padilla, I finished. And you're not finished actually. So I'll be monitoring what you do. So make sure, get it all done right. Okay. Get it done all right. Let's see. All right, let me see. Let me see how y'all doing. Okay. Let's see. All right, Rochelle, no. Oh, by the way, this is very important. Once you finish with the quiz, take a screenshot of it and send it to me via WhatsApp. Take a screenshot of your grade and send it to me via WhatsApp. So once you finish with the quiz, don't exit out yet. Take a screenshot and send it to me via WhatsApp, all right? Very good, Rochelle, no, 100%. Rodrigo, 100%. Kylia, 100%. Jasmine, 100%. Very good with you all. Albert, very good, 100%. Again, like I said, for the quiz, take a screenshot of your grade and send it to me via WhatsApp. So don't just come out of it. Take a screenshot of your grade and send it to me via WhatsApp. A lot of people are getting 100 so far. Let's see if that streak continues. Malik, you think the streak is going to continue or you think someone is going to break it? What do you think?
Why are you calling my name specifically, Mr. D?
I'm just asking.
Sorry, Mr. D. I submitted mine, but I accidentally put submit another response, so you may see another response from me.
Okay. Yeah, so let me check let's see how we're doing. Let's see. Anyone got 100 as yet? Anyone got 100 as
Me.
yet? Who's me?
On the first one or second one?
First one, on the first one.
I got a 100.
First one, very good. Anyone finished the first one as yet? All right. Okay, so Samantha K. Samantha K. 1 second, Samantha K. Samantha K. Where's Samantha?
Yes.
Where's Samantha? Samantha K.
Real.
Okay, you have to redo the first one, okay?
Okay.
And it's not okay, it's either yes or no, so. Samantha. Israel, Roel. Okay, very good, Kylia, Jasmine, Albert, Malik, very good. A lot of hundreds here. Cleveland, how you get
Can
an
we get
80?
the second one?
Do the second one as well. Do the second one as well. Do the second one as well. Let me check the second one. See how y'all doing on the second one. Is there anyone who finished with the first and the second? Anyone finish the first and the
I
second?
finished both.
You finished with both? Finished
I
with
don't see
both?
no second one.
Okay, you don't see the second one? Let me resend it. I'm gonna send the first one and the second one again. For those persons who don't see it, that's very important because some people just don't see it. So there's a first one and a second one. So you have to do all two. Is there anyone else who's finished with the first one and the second one? Let me know. You finished with the first one. Okay, good. Let me see. Omara. Where's Omara? Omara?
Yes, sir.
Very good. You were the first one to finish the second one. That's pretty good. Very good, Omara. Cristiano. Cristiano.
Yes, sir.
You have to redo the second quiz. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
It's not very good. And it's not okay. It's either yes or no. So redo the second quiz. Okay, so since y'all finished with that, that means that. Go ahead.
I'm finished with the second one.
Say it again.
See the second one I did?
I do. You're the second one to finish. Right after Omara.
I'm finished with the second one.
Finish with the second one. Very good. Okay, so I'm gonna send the last two, 3 and 4. 3 and 4. I need everyone to do that. 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Okay. So if you finish with the first two, then you move on to the last two. Okay. So very good. Omari, Rashalno, Leandra, Malik, Jasmine, Sharonique, Ashante. Where's Ashante? Ashante? Where's Ashante?
Yes, sir.
You have to redo the second quiz.
Okay.
Ashante. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Dinaj, very good. Albert Rocks, very good. Kylia, very good. Kylia. Davini Grohl, very good. Cordell Pratt, very good. Ronika Delavo. Wait, Ronika? Ronika. Where's Ronika?
Yes, sir.
This Ronika?
Yes, sir.
And you sit there and you pretend like you don't know me.
I didn't want to say nothing. I wanted to see if you knew me first.
Oh, wow. Wow. You don't attend there no more, though.
No, sir.
Okay, what school do you go to?
R.M. Bailey.
R.M. Bailey. Okay, that's good.
Yes,
Wow, Ronika, we meet again.
I telling you.
All right, good to have you. Well, you're still doing well. 10 out of 10. That's good. You
Yes,
have any
sir.
questions so far?
No side straight.
Okay, that's good. And
Okay.
D'Angelo Smith, good. Have you sent in your notes, Ronika?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you put your name to it? Did you put your name to
Yes,
it?
sir. Yeah, I
Okay.
did.
Rochelle, no. Who asked if I see that one?
If you see on my last two, the two quizzes.
I see
you
the
sent.
first. I see the first two. Let me check the second. The second two. Let me see. All right. Has everyone seen the last two? I need to post them again.
I've seen them.
Okay, they're very good. Rochelle, no. Anyone else who haven't seen have y'all seen the last two?
I'm
Or I need
finished
to
with both.
finish with both? Okay. All right. Let me check these scores, make sure y'all have them right. Number three. View. Okay. For the third one, Rochelle, no, very good. You're the first one to finish that one. Michelle, no, Jasmine, Moss, Israel, Rodrigo, Albert, very good. Sharonique, Omaro, Jed Monroe, very good, Jed. Leandra Clark, Nike. That's not how you pronounce the name, right? How do you pronounce the name? It's spelled like Nike, but that's probably not how you pronounce that. Oliver, very good, 10 out of 10. Cleveland, 10 out of 10, very good. Samaya, Samantha, everyone, very good. Ronika, very good. All y'all did well on that one. Let's see the fourth one. How y'all did on that one? The fourth one. Let's see how y'all did on the fourth one. Cristiano, how are you doing on my quizzes? Where's Cristiano?
Radio, sir.
How are you doing on my quizzes?
I get 6 on the first.
Uh-huh.
I'm on the second one.
Okay. Did you get 10 out of 10 on any of them?
No, sir.
Okay, you have to redo it then. Make sure you get at least 8. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the last one, let's see. The last one that I sent was, okay. That's pretty difficult. The last one is pretty difficult. Let me see how y'all did in this one. And you have to know what you're doing. Let's see. I figured this last one is, this last one don't play. Very good, Rashad. No, 10 out of 10. Yes?
You could look at what I sent you, please.
Omara?
Yes, sir.
Omara. In the chat or?
On WhatsApp.
You have to send it again because I can't distinguish a number.
Okay.
Send it right now so I can see it.
Okay.
By the way, take a picture of your work and of your notes and send them via WhatsApp, and also take a picture of your grade and send it to me via WhatsApp. I need to see that. All right, do that for me, please. Jasmine, Ashanti. Let me see. Number 4, which the following is an element of set K? Oh, number 4. Yeah, that's correct. You're right. You're right, Amari. You're right. Okay, are we done with the 4 quizzes? Let me know, please.
Finish. Hold on. Why does it say that at D? Why does it say on the third question for number 4, right? Why does it say that it's wrong even though that there's 65 in the question?
Say it again.
J has an element of 65. When I click 65 and I press submit, it says that it's wrong.
Okay. The answer is 52 or 65. Either one of them will work.
Yes, but it says that my answer is wrong.
Refresh it. Refresh it again. So I just looked at that and you're right. It could be both of them.
Thank you.
So, yeah. All right. So are we done with them? Let me know, please.
Yes, sir.
I'm about to finish.
You're about to finish?
Yeah, I have some more to do too.
Say it again. Say it again. Someone said something? Did someone say something?
You mean since I was talking?
Yes, what you said. No, when you said something, I didn't hear what you said.
Oh, I said I have some more to do too.
You have some more to do, okay. I'm done, but the question says the same thing. What'd you say? Okay, so that was the error for number 4, and I corrected it. So you may just have to refresh your page to see the correction, okay? All right, so let's move on from this. Is anyone who's finished with all of them? Is anyone who's finished with all of them? Let me know if you're finished. Okay. Okay, good.
I am.
All right, good. So that was pretty good. Y'all did pretty well on them. So we're gonna move on from that, and we're gonna move on to types of sets because I really want to get that. So put a pause to the quiz for right now. Put a pause to the quiz for right now. We're gonna move on to types of sets. Put a pause to the quiz.
I'm done with the quiz.
That's excellent. But for those of you who are still doing the quiz, put a pause to the quiz for right now. We're gonna move on from that, and we're gonna go on to types of sets. All right. So again, I repeat, put a pause to the quiz for right now. All right, let's get back to the notes. So, so the next thing we're gonna be looking at is types of sets. Types of sets. Types of sets. Types of sets. Okay, types of sets. Types of sets. Types of sets. So, there are different types of sets. Okay, so let me ask you a question, right? When a set doesn't have anything inside of it, what do we call it?
Empty set.
And since I heard someone said it.
Empty set.
An empty set or a null set. Very good. So that's gonna be the first one, empty set. Okay, empty set. Empty set. So empty set. So that's the first type of set. It has nothing inside of it. It's an empty set. So empty set or a null set. So when a set does not contain any element inside of it, it is known as an empty set or a null set. Okay, so when a set doesn't have any elements inside of it, it is known as an empty set or a null set. Rashal, no.
Yes, sir.
Can you give me an example of an empty set?
A equals curly bracket. Don't put nothing in it, and then curly bracket.
No, an example, like an actual example of a set that is empty. Tough question, right?
Yes, sir.
A tough question, right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
I ask you all the tough questions. So an empty set has absolutely no elements in them. Not even 0. Why we can't put 0 in the empty set?
Because it's empty. It literally has nothing in it. So so what's the use for putting a 0 in it?
But
There's
if it doesn't have anything, can we just put 0? Right?
Zero is still a number.
Very, very good. 0 is still an element. Like, because some people might think, oh, it's empty, so we could put 0. No, but 0, that's a number. That's an element. So we can't put 0 inside of it. Okay. So Samaya, what do we call a set that doesn't have anything in it? What do we call that set?
An empty set.
An empty set. And Sam, what is another name for empty set? Besides empty set, what's another word we could use?
A null set.
A null set. Very good. And Ronika, can we put 0 inside of the empty set? Ronika.
No, sir.
Good. And O'Neill. O'Neill, where are you?
Yes, sir.
What do we mean by an empty set?
A set that has nothing in it.
Very good. And set that has nothing in it. Very good. And Cristiano, what do we mean by an empty set?
And set that have absolutely nothing inside of it.
Very good. A set that has nothing inside of it, not even 0. I asked Rochelle to give me an example of an empty set, and he couldn't think of an example of an empty set. So can any smart individual tell me what is their example of an empty set?
An empty example of an empty set is a null set.
No, I need an actual example.
Open bracket, close bracket.
No, I need an actual example of a set that's empty. So let's start off with the notation. The notation for the empty set. Notation for the empty set. Or null set is the following. All right, it's the following. So the notation for empty set or null set is the following. Does anyone remember the notation for empty set?
Is it a 0 with a line across it?
Yes, that is one way to do it. There's also another way. So the first way is, well, the way I like to do it. I know we can't say the first way. The way I like to do is I like to write it with like 2 curly brackets. Like empty, that's my favorite way. When nothing is inside of it, yeah, that's my favorite way. So let me put like nothing inside of it. So wait, nothing gotta be inside of it. So not even 9. So let's change this. Come on, be kind. Good. Nothing is inside of it. Ta-da. Okay.
I just use spacebar.
That's true. So that's one way, or another way is what? The way that Rochelle suggested, and he's absolutely right with that, is that you can have a circle, okay? And then you can put a dash through it. And that also means empty set. You all familiar with this, or do I sound like I just talking to myself?
Yes,
Y'all know that? Y'all understand what's happening?
Yes, sir.
Y'all lost.
Yes.
It's kind of coming back to me though.
They're coming back to you? All right. Marie, do you understand this? Marie. Marie, do you understand this? Where's Marie? Marie? Marie, can you hear me? Can't hear from Marie. Leandra, is Marie a sister?
No, sir.
Y'all ain't related?
No, sir.
Okay. So Marie iPhone. Where's Marie? I can't hear from Marie. Okay, but Leandra, you understand what's happening?
Yes, sir.
That's good. All right, Jed Monroe, do you understand what's happening? Or are you still thinking about your jet skis?
No, sir, I am, sir.
So you ain't thinking about your jet skis right now.
No, sir.
You sure?
Yes, sir.
All right. 'Cause I know that's all you think about. School is an afterthought. But bear with me for a moment, okay? A few moments.
Yes, sir.
But you understand what's happening, right?
Yes, I am, sir.
Good. So, example. So, right. So we're gonna do, can anyone think of an, come on, man. Can anyone think of an empty set?
I can.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Two
Go ahead.
curly brackets with a line through it.
No, I want an actual example. An actual example of a set that has to be
Politicians that
empty.
care about Brown Bahama.
All right. All right. All right, Genesis. I don't know if I can give you that one because mathematically speaking, it has to be well defined. Okay. But I get what you're saying. She's the closest. But even though she's being sarcastic, she understands exactly what you're talking about. Good. Very good. What's her name? Genesis. Very good, Genesis. Can you give me an actual one, Genesis?
0 with the curly brackets.
Remember, no, 0 can't. Oh, I know what you're saying. With the slash? No, I need an example, not the notation. I need an example. So write yes if it's set, and they write no if the set is not empty.
Write it and put it in the chat, right?
No, say it. So
So use numbers or like a real life example.
and it could be a real life example or anything.
Okay. Okay, I guess there'd be an empty set of like pigs that fly because that doesn't exist. So that's an
Very
empty
good.
set. Or
Very good.
uniforms.
Very good. So the set of cows that what jumped over the moon, does that have anything inside of it, or is that empty?
That's an empty set.
Empty set.
The rest of us, is that empty, or does that have something inside of it?
Empty.
You're sure? Because some of y'all sound like y'all still believe cows jump over the moon.
It's
Is it?
empty.
You sure?
In the fairy tales, and anything that is said in the fairy tale isn't true. It's just a story to keep your children to go sleep.
You sure? Kylia, in the cows, the number of cows that jump over the moon, is that set empty, or it has something inside of it?
It's empty.
You sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So we're gonna put what? Yes. Yes. All right, so give me an example of an empty set. I already give you all one.
White watermelons.
Pigs with wings.
The set of white watermelons. Very good. That's empty. What else?
Pigs with wings.
Pigs with wings. Very good. That is empty, at least for now.
Is it not appropriate? Should I say slavery?
Slavery? Well,
Well,
no,
it isn't in manufacturing anymore, so it should be an empty set, right?
let's not use that one. Let's use something else.
Mythical creatures are real.
The set of mythical creatures that are alive right now is empty. Anyone else?
The dinosaur.
The set of dinosaurs that are alive?
Yes.
That's correct. Very good. Let me ask the question. How about this one? The set of whole numbers between 5 and 6.
False. I mean, no.
Is that empty, or is that not empty?
Empty.
Oh yeah, it is empty.
You're sure? Yes.
sure. So it's
That's empty.
So what do we put in? Yes or no?
Yes.
An empty set.
Yes. Class, what are we gonna put for this one? Yes or no? The set of whole numbers that are between 5 and
Yes,
6.
that's a yes.
Yes. Why we say yes?
Because there's no whole numbers
These are
between
all
5 and
whole
6. You go
numbers
from
between
one to the
5 and
next.
6.
It's only decimal numbers.
Very good. There's no whole numbers between 5 and 6. So it's gonna be what? Empty. Yeah, so it's empty. So this is empty. Okay. All right. Now the next one. Excuse me. Let's go ahead and do number 3. The set of even numbers between 1 and 10. Is that empty or is that not empty?
It's not empty.
It's not empty.
It's not
That's
empty.
not empty.
Why you say it's not
Right.
empty?
Because
Two,
there's
four,
two,
six,
four,
Because there are
six.
many numbers
There's
between
even
1 and
numbers between
10.
1 and 10.
Very good. What are the even numbers between 1 and 10?
2,
2,
4,
4,
6,
6,
and 8.
8.
Very good. 2,
2,
4, 6, and
3,
8.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Very good. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7, 8. 8. Okay, so no. Right? So no, this is definitely no. Y'all understand it or y'all lost? I mean, if you understand this,
This is easy. I
understand?
remember this from last class.
That's good. Cristiano, where's Cristiano?
I'm good.
Cristiano, do you understand this?
Yes, sir. I get the hang of it.
You're the hang of it? So empty sets are sets that have absolutely nothing inside of it. It's impossible for it to have anything inside of it. Understand? And sets that are non-empty, it has stuff inside of it. Whether it could be one or many sets, many elements inside of it. Okay, I'm gonna give you all one more. Okay, one more. Should I make it easy, hard, or medium?
Hard.
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 Wait a minute. I may want to say this one though, but does Santa exist? That's
a good
one we should
one.
make.
That's a good one. That's a good one.
Well, I don't want no Christmas presents taken away or nothing, so
I
I'm
know,
just
right?
gonna sit silent
Yes,
on
No, 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 no.
that's
I
true.
want to bring some realization now,
Oh,
right?
I'm getting
Nah, I'm getting a bit devious.
That's a good one.
Yes, it's empty.
That's a good one. That's a very good one. That's a very good one. All right, so let's do this one is gonna be difficult. I ain't gonna lie, this one's gonna be difficult. So let me see if y'all good. The set of even numbers that are prime.
No. The answer is no.
The answer is no. No.
The answer is no.
Who said the
yes,
answer
yes,
is no?
no.
Who said the answer is no? Who said the answer is no?
No, it's no.
Israel.
No,
Israel. Okay.
Israel.
That's not empty.
Israel. Is it yes or no? Put your answer inside the chat. Put your answer inside the chat. Is it yes or no? Put your answer inside the chat. Is it yes or no? Put your answer inside the chat. The set of even numbers that are prime. Put your answer inside the chat. All right, it said yes. Think about it. The set of even numbers that are prime. Is that yes or is that no?
No.
Okay. Not on a rope. No, no, no. No, no, no. Okay. All right. How many persons believe it's no? Let me hear you. The no people. Persons believe it no.
No.
I believe it's no.
No. How many persons believe
No.
it's yes? How many persons believe it's yes? Yes. Yes. Okay. All right. So for those who say no, why you say no?
Because 2 is an even number and it's also prime.
Very good. 2 is is there any other prime numbers that are even?
No.
No, 2 is the only even number that is prime. So
Yeah.
So let's go ahead and list them. So if you look at our prime numbers, right? I don't know if you're all familiar with prime numbers, but prime numbers only have 2 factors, one in itself. So prime numbers start at 2, then what is the next prime number?
3.
3, very good. After 3 is what?
5.
7.
7.
7.
11.
Yeah. 7.
13.
7. Do we have 9 in there?
No.
No,
No.
9 is not prime.
No.
So these are your prime numbers, I should say. Prime numbers. Prime. These are your prime numbers. And these are numbers that only have 2 factors, one in itself. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 9 can't do it. 10, no, 11, yeah. 13.
Yes. 17.
What? 17. And so on.
19.
It goes on and on. So as you can see, what is the only even number here?
2.
2. 2 is the
2.
only even number here. Therefore, the set of even numbers that are prime is not empty. It has something inside of it, which is 2. So the answer is yes. The last one probably might have been hard for you all, or some of you, but the answer, wait, no, sorry, no. So the answer is no there, no, no.
Nah, that's what you wanted it to be.
It's no, Cleveland. All right, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp again. Take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. And we have one more slide to do, and then we'll be done with this first section. So again, everyone take a picture of this and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Gina, where's Gina? Gina, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Have you sent in your notes yet?
No.
Pardon?
No, sir. I'm gonna send it in now.
Yeah, you need to send in your notes, please. You need to take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp.
Can I use the button?
Yes, we can. Quickly. Yes, we can. Ajani, have you sent in your notes? Where's Ajani? Cristiano, I don't see the rest of your notes. Cristiano, you need to send in your notes.
Yes, sir.
Good.
It's about who is Mr. Petit?
Yes, we can. Quickly.
Yes, sir.
Albert Rocks. Where's Albert Rocks? Albert Rocks. Albert Rocks. That's Albert. No, I just called your name. Are you there, Albert?
Yes, sir.
You sure you're paying attention?
Yes, sir.
The problem with Joel is that when you don't pay attention, I begin to pick on you. So you have to pay attention, Albert. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
What do we mean by an empty set, Albert?
When nothing is in it, like
Say it again.
when nothing is in the curly
Yes.
bracket.
Very good. When nothing is in the set, right? And
Yes, sir.
what is another name for empty set?
No set.
Null set. Very good. Ashanti. Where's Ashanti? Ashanti,
Yes, sir.
have you sent in your notes?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand what we're doing so far?
Yes, sir.
Is this making sense? Is it making sense to you?
Yes, sir.
That's good. All right, so let's move on to our next one. Let me go ahead and please remove disappearing messages from your phone because then your notes are gonna disappear. I don't want that. Okay, so okay,
I'm not even quite sure what even is that.
that's like, don't worry about it then. Don't worry about it. Okay, so next we have, but for those of you who have disappearing stuff on your phone, remove it. Okay, next slide, we're gonna be talking about. So we say that when a set have no elements inside of it, we say that it's an empty set, right? When it has no set elements inside of it. But what if it only have one element inside of it? What do we call it? If it only have one element inside of it?
Singular set.
Singular set, close. If it only has one element inside of it, what do we call that? One element. Just one. It's not a singular set. Anyone? Rochelle, no? Jasmine, Moss, Sharonique, Veronica, what do we call it when we only have one element inside of it? What do we call it?
Pardon me?
When the set only has one element inside of it, what do we call it? Do you know? No, nobody knows. No one knows.
Can you repeat the question for me, please?
When a set only has one element inside of it, what do we call it?
I actually don't know that one.
You don't know that one?
Is it not just a set?
No.
A single set?
Not a sing. No.
A unit set?
No. No.
Set uno, I don't know.
Singleton set.
Thank you, Brianna. Singleton set. Very good. A singleton set. Singleton set. Very good. So a singleton set is when it only has one element inside of it. So empty set is no element. Singleton set is one element inside of it. And we already discussed a singleton set. Remember the set that only have the set of even numbers that are prime? That's a singleton set, right? So singleton. Singleton. When a set only has one element, it is known as a singleton set. Okay, go ahead, Malik, read this definition for me, please, of singleton.
Yes, sir. All right, a singleton set. When a set only has one element, it is known as a singleton set.
Very good. Carlton Strong. Where's Carlton? Carlton Strong. Where's Carlton Strong? Oh, I forget his mic doesn't work properly. Carlton Strong, can you answer inside the chat, please? Carlton Strong. Where's Carlton? Yes, Carlton, have you sent in your notices yet? You really need to get that mic thing sorted out, Carlton, because I need to hear from you. All right. So make sure I get that mic thing figured out for tomorrow's class. By the way, we have classes Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday starting at 6 o'clock. So make sure be here on time. We start promptly at 6, just like how we started at 6 today. All right. So in each case, list the members of the singleton sets. The singleton sets below. So I'm going to give you a singleton set. I want you to list the members of the singleton sets. So let's say we have set A, set A. Set A equals, let's say set A is going to be the set of whole numbers between 12 and 14. That's going to be a singleton set, right? So what's going to be inside the set?
13.
13, very good.
13.
13, very good. Because why? We said a set of whole numbers between 12 and 14. So the answer here, is going to be A is equal to, so A is equal to 13. That's going to be the singleton set. A is equal to 13. Number two, so we have A is equal to the set, the set of even numbers. So I have even whole numbers between 19 and 21. That's interesting. The set of even whole numbers between 19 and 21. What goes in that set?
20.
Who said that? Who said that? Davanique?
Yes, sir.
Davanique and Rachel, no, very good. 20. So the answer is going to be 20. What do we know about these two sets? What do we call them?
A singleton set.
A what?
Singleton set.
Singleton set. Why do we call them a singleton set?
Because they only have one.
Because they only have one element.
Because they only have one element. Okay. And that one element makes it a singleton set. Okay, only has one element. All right. Does this make sense to y'all? Let me know if this makes sense to y'all before I move on to the next thing. Let me know.
Yes, sir.
That's good. Calypso, can you hear me? Where's Calypso? Calypso. Where's Calypso?
So,
Does this make sense to you?
hello.
Calypso,
Yes,
can you? Okay, good. Sam, you have a question? Where's Sam? Sam, can you hear me? Where's Sam? I can't hear from Sam. Sam, can you hear me? Where's she? Can't really hear from Sam.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Do you have a question for me?
I was asking you to repeat it.
Oh, to repeat it. Okay. So
Yeah.
basically, a singleton set is when you have only when the set only has one element inside of it. So if it has no elements, we call it an empty set. But if it has one element, we call it a singleton set. So that's the difference. No elements, empty set. One element, singleton set. If it have many elements, then it's just a set. But we really distinguish one element and no elements. So no elements, empty set. One element, singleton set. So for example, with this one, we have A, which equals the set of whole numbers between 12 and 14. Okay, so the set of whole numbers between 12 and 14, well, it has 14 and it has 13 in the middle because the only whole number between 12 and 14 is 13. So the answer here is 13. So A is 13. And finally, the set of even whole numbers between 19 and 21, well, it's going to be 20. Okay, does that make sense to you all? Let me know if that makes sense to you all.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
that's good. All right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to should I give you all a quiz on this or just leave it like that? What do you think? Want a quiz? Want a quiz?
I mean, I think we got the concept.
Okay, you think you got the concept? Okay, Israel says she thinks you got the concept. Israel, you don't like quizzes, eh? All right. This is gonna be our final quiz for the night for math. So let me just give you all this quiz. It's gonna be on singleton sets. Okay. So once you have started the quiz, put started inside the chat again. Once you've started the quiz, put started inside the chat. Again, once you've started the quiz, put started inside the chat. I need you to do that, please. Once you've started the quiz, put started inside the chat. And let's see how y'all do on this one. This is a singleton quiz, all right? Again, once you've started the quiz, please put started inside the chat, okay? Again, this is a quiz on singleton sets. By the way, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Take a picture of it and send it to me via WhatsApp. Okay. Let's see. See how this one goes. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Once you start the quiz, please put started inside the chat. Oh, I'm sorry. It's on empty set and singleton set. So, yeah. Also, once you finish with this quiz, I need you to take a screenshot of your grade so I could see how you did on this quiz. Hopefully, all of you did well or are going to do well. That's the hope. So, let's see how it goes with that. All right. So, yeah. So again, okay.
Did you see mine?
I did. Israel, and you didn't want to do the quiz? And you go in there and get 20 out of 20. I don't understand you, Israel. What happened? How you not want to do the quiz and get 20 out of 20? Wow. Wow, wow, wow. My. All right, let me I saw yours as well, Rachel. No, the first one to get 100 as well. Very good, Rachel. No. Excellent stuff. As per usual. Take a screenshot of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp again. Take a screenshot of it and send it to me via WhatsApp of your grade as well as your notes. Yes, someone have a question for me?
You know, the fact that one of the questions say how much is in in a empty set. Well, I'm just sitting here thinking it says a small amount, 0, but you said you can't put no 0 in there.
Mhm.
Yeah. And I'm just sitting here with my mind thinking exactly, I can't choose a small amount because I feel like that'll be wrong.
You can't put 0 inside the set, but the number of
Exactly.
elements inside an empty set is 0. You understand that?
Oh,
You understand me?
yeah, sure.
Okay. Okay, so the rest of you, how y'all doing on the quiz? Very good, Genesis. Very good, Malik. Malik, how you get 18 out of 20? How?
I'm so sorry, Mr. Petit. The lights were
Wow.
too bright.
The lights are too bright. Oh, wow. Very good, Rodrigo. Very good, Genesis. Very good, Jasmine
Oh,
Moss.
also, Mr. Petit, I have a question to ask.
Yes.
Is
Go ahead.
it 6 to 8 today?
No, 6 to 9. 6 to 9 today, for the day. 6 to 8 tomorrow. You understand me?
What subject is after this, Mr. Petit?
English.
Yes, sir. I'll stick around.
Yeah. Okay. Ajane, you have to redo your quiz. You got 14 to 20. You have to redo that. Albert Rocks, please redo your quiz. Davinic Clinton, very good. Danaj, excellent. Leandra, excellent. Miss Oliver, you have to redo your quiz. Who else have not done their quiz? The rest of you, please. Look, I need to send this quiz inside the chat again. Yes, someone have a question?
It said I got a 20 with a 20.
It's
He
still
said
no
I-
money.
Albert, yes, I saw it. 20 out of 20. Christian, say it again. O'Neill. I don't think he's talking to us. D'Angelo, very good. D'Angelo Smith, 20 out of 20, very good. Let me I'm gonna repost the quiz for those of you who missed it. Okay. So y'all to be able to do it. There's a quiz on empty set and singleton set. I just put some singleton set, but there's a quiz on both. Okay. All right. Let's see the rest of us grades. Kylia, very good. Ronika, very good. Kylia, where's she?
Yes, sir.
How you get 18? How? How is that even possible?
I
Is my-
go one wrong.
I know. I thought he was gonna get 20 to 20. But very good. Very good. And Omar, very good, Ronika. As per usual, Omara Pen. Jed, please redo your quiz as well. You got a 14. We don't do 14, so you have to at least get an 18. Or at least a 16, sorry. Ashanti Adley, very good. Samantha, very good. Jalipsa, very good. Excellent. Y'all are doing very good on these stuff. So that's good. That's excellent. Moving right along. Okay. Sion Fraser, you have to redo that. Okay, you have to redo that. Sion. And Omara, very good, Omara. By the way, take a picture of a screenshot of your grade and send it to me via WhatsApp. Please do that. Carlton Scrawn, please redo your quiz. 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 All right, so now it's 8 o'clock, so we're gonna move on to English language. We're done with maths for the day, so we're gonna move on to English language. So let's go ahead and move on to English. And then,
Mr. T, thank you.
okay. Good night, Genesis. The rest of us, we stay for English. Let me share my screen. Stop sharing. I don't know if y'all could see it. Let me stop sharing and share again. Let's see, share again. Okay. Okay, good. All right, so let's begin. So we're gonna begin our English class. And we're going to start off where we should begin. I think it's a very good place to start off with English. And that is, a lot of people struggle with writing essays. I versus love to write essays. You love to write essays. Anyone? Love to write essays.
I love to write
You
essays.
love it. Okay, Israel. I versus do not like writing essays. Do not. Hate it with a passion.
Well, kind of. It depends on how long it'll take and what exact words do you want me to put in.
Yes, that's where it becomes complicated, right? So then we're
Now,
going to be
if it's
talking.
now, if it's typing, it might be a bit simpler.
No, you ain't gonna be typing in no exam. All right, so that's what we're gonna be looking at. So the day is, let me set up again. My name is Mr. Petit. You do not need a next book for this. You could use the same book, but if you have a lot of money and you have extra books, you could use a separate book for English. That's no problem. All right, so today is Monday the 1st of September. I can't believe it's September already. I cannot believe that, man. 2025. The subject is, of course, English language. Okay. All right, English language. So today we're going to be looking at, the topic is how to write an excellent introduction. Because in order for you to write your essay, you have to first start off with an introduction. So the topic is how to write an excellent introduction. How to write an excellent introduction. That's what the topic is. How to write an excellent introduction.
Also, one question I have.
Uh-huh.
Do we still do Kahoot?
Do you still do what?
Do we still do Kahoot?
Counting?
Kahoot.
Oh, not now. Not now. Maybe later in the semester. Okay. Yeah. All right. In your exam, you will be required to write an essay. That's a fact. Once you go on any national exam, you're going to write an essay. My question is, this question is for Cristiano. How many paragraphs should we have in an essay? Cristiano, how many paragraphs is in an essay? Cristiano?
One.
One paragraph in the essay? Okay. Does anyone want to help him? How many
You know, the
paragraphs
fact
do
I
we
was
have?
literally taking the same
3 to
thing.
5.
How
Isn't
many
4 to 5?
4 to 5?
3 to 4.
3 to 4? 3 or more?
I would say 5.
10 to 11.
10 to 11? Wow. No. Wow, I'm surprised.
That's 5.
5. Thank you. 5.
My father taught me that.
Yes. Your essay, you are not in primary school no more. You are bigger than that. Your essay should have 5 paragraphs. No less than 5 paragraphs. Okay, 5 paragraphs. That's very important. 5 paragraphs. Okay. The only time you might could get away with less than 5 paragraphs is maybe when you're writing a letter, like a letter on your exam. But in general, especially for essays, 5 paragraphs. You're not passing no exam if you write less than 5 paragraphs. In your exam, you'll be required to write an essay. Your essay should have 5 paragraphs. Now, what are the parts of the essay? The first part is going to be what?
Introduction.
Very good. Introduction.
Body paragraph.
Introduction. Introduction. What else?
Body paragraph.
How many?
3.
3.
3. Very good. 3 body paragraphs. Introduction. 3 body paragraphs. Introduction.
And then a
3.
conclusion.
Very good. 3 body paragraphs. All right. And then a conclusion. Then a conclusion. Okay. Okay, good. Albert rocks. What are the 5 parts of your essay? What are the 5?
Introductions, 3 body paragraphs, and conclusions.
Very good. Ashanti, what are the 5 parts of your essay?
Introduction, 3 body paragraphs, and conclusion.
Excellent. And Bridget, what are the 5 parts of your essay?
Introduction, 3 body paragraphs, and conclusions.
Very
The
good.
conclusion.
Is
Very
there
good.
also a hook?
We come into that. We come into that. We come into that. We come into that.
Yeah, it's just kind of coming back to me. That's
It's
why
coming
I
back.
asked.
Very good. Great care. So great care should be taken. So today we're going to be focusing on which part? The introduction.
Introduction.
Okay. Great care. All the parts should be written sensibly, but today we're going to focus on the introduction. Great care should be taken, right? In writing a good introduction. Because this is your first chance to what? Make a good impression. Yes, to the reader. And what do they say? The first impression is the?
Last.
Yes.
Last impression.
Yes, the first impression is the last impression. So if you start off like you ain't making no sense, you're like, I don't want to listen. I don't read the rest of this file. This thing could be boring. Like, you know, you watching YouTube video and the first 7 seconds, if it ain't making no sense, you're moving. Like you ain't wasting your time. It's the same thing with writing. If the first,
I'm glad you're very relatable about that.
If your first paragraph is not sensible, catchy, right? Then we're not sticking around. Or even if we do stick around, we're not interested. You know, you lost our concentration or you lost our interest. So you need to make sure the first impression is the last, is a very good impression. Okay. So in order to have a complete and effective introduction, your introduction must always have what? 3 things. What are the 3 things that your introduction must always have in order to be complete and effective? It must have what?
A hook.
It must have a hook. Very good. What else?
Thesis statement.
Thesis statement, yes. What comes before the state? What comes before the thesis statement?
Reasoning.
Say it again.
Reasoning.
Reasoning. What do you mean by reasoning? Okay, I give you some time to think. But we call it background information. Background information. And then the thesis statement. So those are the 3 things that every good introduction must have. The introduction is never complete or effective without those 3 things. So, Sion, what are 3 things that your introduction must have to be complete and effective?
A hook, a background information,
and one more thing.
and a thesis statement.
Thesis statement. Cordell Pratt, what are the 3 things that we need in order to have a good introduction?
Hook, background information, thesis statement.
Thesis statement. Very good. And Davinique Gilton. What are 3 things we need in order to have a good introduction or effective introduction?
A hook, background information, and a thesis statement.
Very good. Hook, background information, and thesis statement. Okay. So what is a hook? Let's start off with that. All right. What is the hook?
Something that grabs the reader's attention.
Very good. Something that grabs the reader's attention. When you think of a hook, right? What do you think of?
Maybe anecdote.
Say it again.
Anecdote.
A what?
An anecdote.
An anecdote. Okay, an anecdote. Very good. Okay, when you think of a hook, did anyone watch Moana? Anyone watch Moana? No.
Yeah.
No. Okay. Okay.
I
No one
watched
watched.
it.
No
I
one here
watched
watched
it one
Moana.
time though.
Wow. No one here watched Moana part 1 or 2?
I did. I did. I
Me.
watched both.
You did? Okay, good.
I watched
So
it.
in Moana, who has a hook? Anyone remember?
Maui.
Maui, very good. Maui has a hook, right? So the hook, when you think about hooks, right? Hooks is used to do what? Even if a fisherman have a, even if a
Reel
fish,
something.
Yes.
Reel something
it's
in.
reel something in. Very good. So a hook is used to grab something. So let's say if you go fishing with your dad or whatever, and you know you have the hook is there. You put the bait on the hook, and what happens? The fish would what? The fish would attach. Very good. The fish would attach to the hook, right? It would grab onto the hook. Very good. So what does that mean? That means that we need a hook. What's the purpose of our hook? The purpose of our hook is to do what?
To grab the reader's
To
attention.
grab the reader's attention. We need to get them in. We need to get them in. So we need bait on our hook, right? So we need to make sure that it's interesting. Okay, it can't be boring. All right. So the purpose of the hook is to grab the reader's attention. All right. So what are some ways in which we could grab the reader's attention? What are things we could do or say or like include to grab the reader's attention?
To grab them using a question.
A question, very good. So we could have a thought-provoking question. So this could be done. This can
Automatopoeia.
Who said automatopoeia?
Albert.
Very good, Albert. This could be done. This could be done by, or this could be, let's say this could be a thought-provoking question. Thought-provoking question. It could be a what?
Rhetorical question.
A rhetorical question, yes. It could be, can we use quotes? Can we use quotes?
Yes,
sir.
You sure?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
we could use a quote. So it could be a relevant quote. Okay. Be relevant quote. It could be who said that?
Albert.
Very good. You're pretty good at this. It could be a flashback. It could be a vivid what? Anecdote. Okay. It could be a what? Interesting what? Statistics, right? Right. You could also start it with a seriously funny joke. Okay. You could also start it with or other what? Literary devices or techniques. Okay. So those are the things that we could use for our hook. Again, the purpose of the hook is to grab the reader's attention. And we could do that in several ways. Sensory details, thought-provoking question, and the list goes on. So let me put this in red so y'all could know that this is very important. Are you writing this down or y'all just looking at my screen? Let me know if you're writing this down, please.
Yes, sir.
Writing it down.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I'm writing it.
That's good. And Sion. Where's Sion?
Yes, sir.
What is the purpose of the hook?
The purpose of the hook is to grab the reader's attention.
Very good. The purpose of the hook is to grab the reader's attention. And Samaya. Where's Samaya? Where's Samaya? Samaya, are you there? Where's Samaya? Samaya, are you there? I wonder if she could hear me. Ronika. Where's Ronika?
Yes, sir.
What are some examples of hooks? Give me 2 examples. 2 examples of things we could use for hook. You don't know?
Mr. Petit, you was calling me.
No, no, Ronika.
Oh, okay. Yes, sir.
Oh, Samaya. Yes, I was calling you. But go ahead. I let Samaya go and then Ronika, you could answer.
Okay.
Go ahead. Give me 2 examples of a hook.
A relevant quote or vivid and
Or vivid anecdote. Very good. Go ahead. Ronika, give me another example.
seriously funny joke or interesting statistics.
Statistic. Very good. And where is Gina? Where's Gina? Where's Gina? Where's Gina? Where's Gina? Can't have Gina. Gina, can you hear me? Where's Gina? No. Omaria? Where's Omaria?
Tomorrow. Yes, sir.
Good. What is the purpose of the hook?
The purpose of the hook is to grab the reader's attention.
Very good. The purpose of the hook is to grab the reader's attention. And Jalipsa? Where's Jalipsa? Where's Jalipsa? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Why do we need a hook?
Pardon me?
Why do we need a hook? What's the purpose of the hook? What's the purpose of the hook? Do you know? No? Do you know what's the purpose of the hook, Jalipsa?
Grabs the reader's attention.
Very good, to grab the reader's attention. And this question is for anyone. Inside your introduction, what are 3 parts that you need in order to have a good introduction? 3 parts that you need.
A hook, background information, and a thesis statement.
Very good. Hook, background information, thesis statement. So let's look at the background information. So background information. So background information is where you give the reader context. So you explain why your topic is even important. Like, what's the relevance to this? Why should the reader even care? And it's like a bridge. It's a bridge between your hook and your thesis statement. So that's what the background information is. So provide context to your reader, okay? Help them understand. Okay, explain the broader topic, okay, or issue you will be discussing. And you must answer the question of why is your essay important? Why is your essay important? What bigger issues are connected with it? This connects the hook with the thesis statement. There must be a connection between the hook and the thesis statement in your background information. Okay, it's not supposed to be long and a whole lot of notes. No, it's just a short few sentences that basically acts as a preparation. It basically prepares your reader for your thesis, to be honest. That's really the job of it. It's there to prepare the reader for the thesis. Let me just put it there. So it prepares the reader for the thesis statement. That's the job of the background information. It prepares the reader for the thesis statement. All right, so the background information, what does it do? It provides context. It explains a little bit more. You start off with a funny joke. You start off with an anecdote. You grab their attention. Now it's time to give them a little bit more. To explain it a little bit more. To connect your hook with your background information. Okay? So that's the purpose of the background information. Okay, Rasha? Not Rasha. O'Neill, where's O'Neill? O'Neill, are you there? Where's O'Neill? O'Neill Cash? O'Neill, where's O'Neill? O'Neill Cash, can you hear me? Where's O'Neill? O'Neill Cash? Excuse me, can't have O'Neill's. Danaj Moss, where's Danaj Moss? Are you there, Danaj?
Yes, sir.
Moss. Read what we have for the background information.
Provide context to your reader. Help them understand. Explain them. Hold on. Provide context to your reader. Help them understand. Explain the broader topic or issue you will be discussing. Why is your essay important? What bigger issues are connected with it? This connects the hook with the thesis statement. This prepares the reader for the thesis statement.
Thesis statement. Very good. So it prepares the reader for the thesis statement. It connects the hook and the background information. It's just a preparation that provides broader context. All right. That's the job of the thesis statement. I mean, that's the job of the background information. Okay. Kylia, where's Kylia? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
You understand this so far?
Yes, sir.
And Omara, how about you? Do you understand this? Where's Omara?
Yes, sir.
Peaches, are you there? Are you able to speak now, or not? Are you still? Where's Peaches? Peaches, can you hear me? Where's Peaches? Can't really have on Peaches. Leandra Clark, are you there? Where's Leandra? Leandra Clark? Where's Leandra? Leandra, can you hear me? I can't really hear from Leandra. Leandra Clark, can you hear me? Where's Leandra? Okay. Okay, the last part is going to be definitely your thesis statement. So your thesis statement, this is basically the most important part of your introduction. Everything that you've done so far was to bring the reader to this point of laying out afresh what your thesis is. What are you going to, what is your main point? That's basically the idea of the thesis statement. Like, what is the main point? What is the main idea, bro? What you trying to say? Right? What is the
You
thesis?
say like why you agree or disagree, or why you saying what you're saying.
Who is that speaking?
Israel.
Very good, Israel. That's true. It basically states why you choose this particular topic, and also gives you reasons briefly. So the thesis statement is a sentence or sentences, right? That, number one, states your position. So you have to say clearly, I agree, or what? Or
disagree.
I
Disagree.
Yes, you have to state that clearly. Okay. And then you have to give your position. So you have to give your 3 reasons as to why you agree or disagree. So it states your reason. State your reason. Now, it doesn't go into in depth about the reason. It just, please, it just state the reason. Please understand that. Just state the reason. All right. So give 3 reasons. Give 3 short reasons. You're not going to go in depth because you go in depth in your paragraphs. So give 3 short reasons why you agree or disagree. Okay, give 3 short reasons why you agree or disagree. So that's what the thesis statement is. It is a few sentences that briefly state what everything is about. Okay. So go ahead, Kylia, and read what we have here for the thesis statement.
Thesis statement. A sentence or sentences that A, states your position, I agree or I disagree. B, state your reason. Give 3 short reasons why you agree or disagree.
Very good. Very good. Excellent. All right. And Jalipsa, where's Jalipsa?
Yes, sir.
Good. Jalipsa, can you read the thesis statement?
A sentence. Wait, this number 3?
Yeah. Yeah, number 3.
A sentence or a sentence that A, states your position, I agree or disagree. B, state your reason. Give 3 short reasons why you agree or disagree.
Very good. Where's Jasmine Moss? Where are you?
Yes, sir.
Good. So can you briefly tell me in your own words, what is the purpose of the hook, background information, and thesis statement?
The purpose of the hook is to basically grab the reader's attention
Mm-hmm.
from when they first begin to read what you've written.
Mm-hmm.
The background information basically gives them an understanding of what you're writing about, I guess.
Yes. Gives context.
And the thesis statement, basically, you say whether you agree or not, and then you give reasons to why you agree and why your opinion is what it is.
Very good. Very good. So that's how we break down an introduction. First, we start off with the hook, background information, then thesis statement. The hook, grab the reader, get them in, they're interested. Ooh, I love this essay. And then okay, you get my attention, but I need to know a little bit more. You give them the background information, which is supposed to be connected to your thesis. It has to be connected to your main point. So you can't just give random background information. And in your thesis, you hit them with the boom, I agree or I disagree, and give them 3 reasons why. Okay, and that's how we basically write it. Do you all understand this or no? Let me know if you all understand this.
Yes, sir.
Let me know. Not only Israel, but the rest of us, do you all understand this?
Yes, sir.
I'm not only talking to 2 persons, the rest of us, do we understand this? Let me know, please.
Yes, sir.
We understand. Thanks.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Excellent. So, have y'all written this down? Because I want to move on. I want to actually give you all an example of this so we can see how it goes. I want to give you all an example. Okay. So, are y'all done with this? Or y'all still writing this down?
I'm finished.
Okay. If you're finished with this slide, take a picture of it and send it to me via WhatsApp. If you're finished with the slide, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. All right, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. I need to see it before I move on. Jed Monroe, have you sent in your work? Jed Monroe.
Yes, I taking a picture right now.
Okay, Gino, have you sent in your work?
I still writing.
You're still writing. Danaj Moss, have you sent in your work? Danaj Moss,
I'm still writing.
still writing. D'Angelo Smith, where's D'Angelo Smith? D'Angelo Smith, can you hear me? Where's D'Angelo? Can I from D'Angelo? Samaya, have you sent in your work?
Yes, I sent it.
Okay. And Rochelle, no, have you sent in your work? Rochelle, no? Rochelle, no? Where's Rochelle? No. Can I have a Rochelle? No. Bridget, have you sent in your work? Where's Bridget? Where's Bridget? Bridget. And Cristianos. Bridget, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Have you
I
s-
already sent it to the WhatsApp.
Okay, good. And Cristiano Smith. Where's Cristiano?
Still waiting, sir. Almost finished.
Which one are you on? Which part are you on?
The hook purpose of the hook.
Okay, purpose of the hook. Okay, so good. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna put this on the side so we could have a chance to write down this question. So I'm gonna put this to the side. So I don't think y'all need the top. So let me move this. We don't need this. I don't think y'all need the first part. I think y'all done with that. So let me move this to the side now. Hopefully y'all will be finished with that. Like that. Okay, so for those who are still writing that, I'll give you a chance to finish that. For those of us who are gonna write, let's go right on this side, right? So here we have this one. So the question is, this is the question. This is the question. This is the essay question. Write this down, please. And the essay question is, schools should continue to hold fun days. Schools should continue to hold fun days. Do you agree or disagree with this statement?
We writing this question down, right?
Yes, you're writing this down. Support with at least 3 well-developed reasons. So my question is, are we gonna agree or are we gonna disagree to this? Whichever we gonna do. Are we agreeing or are we disagreeing? Schools should continue to hold fun day. Do we agree or disagree?
Agree.
Agree. Anyone disagree? Every school should continue to hold fun day. Agree or disagree? I need to ask all this individually. Leandra, do you agree or disagree?
Agree.
Agree. Jalipsa, how about you? Do you agree or disagree? Leandra,
Yes, sir.
do you agree or disagree? Schools should continue to hold fun days.
Agree.
But isn't fun days just a waste of time?
It's a free day off.
It's a free day off. It's a free day off. Okay.
It helps the
But
school raise money.
it helps the school raise money. But the school, if they're private school don't need no more money, right? They already get tuition.
No, they need money.
What they need money for?
I need
Hmm?
AC in
They
the
need a lot.
They need
Money.
AC.
They need money. Believe
They
us.
need
Private
money?
schools are they're not as good as you think. They need money.
They need money too?
Yes,
People
sir.
already get money from tuition. So
They
But don't you need money to run your classes?
they need money to run more classes. But fun days, you need more time for the students to be in classes and they need to be studying. What do you think?
Yeah, but they need a break every so often, do they?
I guess it's a way to like keep the students.
But they have a break every Saturday and Sunday. No school Saturday and
That's not
Sunday.
enough. That's not enough.
That's different.
That's a break. But break Saturday and Sunday.
That's different.
What you mean that's not enough? How much more breaks you need?
Oh, year?
What? We should have school every day, right? Okay. Okay, so y'all want me to agree with this? That's what y'all saying. So we're gonna agree, right? Okay, so how are we gonna start it off?
I agree.
No. No, you can't start off with I agree. That's the thesis. That's the end. You can't start off with that. So how are we gonna start it off?
Do you like having fun?
Ah, you started off with a question. I like that. Do you like having fun? What else? How can we start it off? We can start off with a question. We can start off with a quote. We can start it off with an interesting joke. We can start it off with a statistic. We can start it off with a thought-provoking question. There's different ways we can start off, right? Does anyone know the saying, all work, no play makes Jack a
Dull boy.
dull boy? Only one person know that?
Yeah.
Only one person? Y'all never heard that saying before? All
Never.
work, no play makes Jack a dull boy. Wow.
I don't think so.
You never heard that before? Okay. There is, let's use that. There is an old adage, write this down, an old adage that says, all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. What does that mean? When I say all work, no play makes Jack a dull boy.
If you continue
Unproductive or
Huh?
Could it mean unproductive?
Okay. It means that he's not going to be balanced, right? He's not, if he continue to work, he's not going to have a balanced growth, right? So he's just going to be dull, right? He's not going to be any fun, okay? So there's an old adage that says all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. What is this right here? This is the what? What do we call this part? This is the hook. Very good. So we grab the reader's attention. So right now they're thinking, okay, I never heard that adage before, or I heard that before, right? Okay, so this well-known proverb. So we're gonna explain the hook, right? So what part do you think this is right now? What I'm gonna write? This is gonna be the what? This part, right? This is gonna be the background information. Very good, the background information. So this proverb serves as a reminder that what? People need what? People need what?
Balance.
A balance, right? Between what?
Working.
Work and play, right? To what? Maintain what?
Balance.
Their what?
Productivity.
Mental what?
Health.
Mental health? Mental health. Give me something that start with W.
Mental well-being.
Well-being. Very good. Mental well-being. What else? Creativity. And overall what? Happiness, right? So this right here is the what? What we call this? This is this part right here. It's a background information, right? What I did in this background information is that I explained the thesis. I run on, but I give context. I'm saying what the thesis means. So first I start off with an interesting way. Boom. I start off with a nice adage or proverb or quote, okay? There's an old adage that says, all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. That's interesting. I want to know more. What does this quote mean? How does this apply? How does this apply to fun days, right? So you explain. This well-known proverb serves as a reminder that people need what? A balance between work and play to maintain their mental wellness, mental well-being, creativity, and overall happiness. Does that make sense to y'all? Y'all see the difference, right? Between the two.
Yes,
Okay. Now what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna now move on to my what?
Thesis.
I want to move on to my thesis. And so what my thesis is gonna start off with?
I agree.
I agree. Very good. That I agree. Okay, let's use a different color. I agree that schools should continue to hold fun days Why? Because they what? Why should
Promote balance.
they what?
Promote balance.
Promote balance. Very good. What else? I only need 3 reasons. They promote balance. Why else should they have fun days? They promote balance. What else? They
Improve mental health.
improve mental health. Very good. Do they create lasting what?
Memories.
Memories. Very good. They create lasting memories, right? They provide an excellent opportunity for what? For social what? Bonding. And they allow students and educators, not just the students, but also the educators, to what? Unwind and relieve what? Relieving what?
Stress.
Relieving stress. Very good. Okay, good. And this is my introduction. And if you write an introduction like this, trust me, this is an A introduction. So can you all tell me the parts of this introduction? The parts of the introduction. What are the parts of the introduction? It's the what?
Hook, background,
The hook.
information.
Which part is the hook? Which part is this one? Right there.
The
Is
green
this,
part.
which
That's the
the
hook.
green one is the
Hook.
the green one is the hook, so this is gonna be the hook. All right, and the job of the hook is to do what? Grab the reader's attention. Very good. Grab the reader's attention. Then we have the purple. What's the purple part?
Background information.
Background information.
Background information. I'm just gonna put BG here. Background information. Okay. And then what's the purpose? Well, what's the part in brown? It's gonna be the what?
Thesis statement.
The thesis statement. The thesis statement. It's gonna be the thesis statement. So if you write an introduction like this, you will always get it 100% correct. Because this is how you have to write your introductions. You have to have your 3 parts: the hook, the background information, and your thesis statement. Does this make sense to you all? Let me know, please, if this makes sense to you all.
Yes, sir.
Very good. The thesis statement. Okay. Go ahead. Where is... Hi, Leah. Can you read this introduction for me, please?
There is an old adage that says all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. This well-known proverb serves as a reminder that people need a balance between work and play to maintain their mental well-being, creativity, and overall happiness. I agree that schools should continue to hold fun days because they create lasting memories. They provide an excellent opportunity for school bonding, and they allow students and educators to unwind, relieving stress.
Very good. Jasmine, can you read as well this introduction?
Yes, so start from the beginning.
Yes.
There is an old adage that
Adage.
says all work and
Adage.
there is an old adage that says all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. This well-known proverb serves as a reminder that people need a balance between work and play to maintain their mental well-being, creativity, and overall happiness. I agree that schools should continue to hold fun because they create lasting memories. They provide opportunity for social bonding, and they allow students and educators to unwind, relieving stress.
Very good. Excellent. Anyone want to read? Anyone who I didn't go want to read? I didn't.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead, Israel. Go ahead, Israel.
There's an old adage that says all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. This well-known proverb serves as a reminder that people need a balance between work and play to maintain their mental well-being, creativity, and overall happiness. I agree that schools should continue to hold fun days because they create lasting memories. They provide an excellent opportunity for social bonding, and they allow students and educators to unwind, relieving stress.
Very good. Excellent. Excellent. Very good. So class, do y'all see the three distinctions? Can y'all identify the distinctions between the hook, background information, and thesis statement? Can y'all do that? Let me know if y'all could do that. Can y'all identify the hook, background information, and thesis? Can y'all do that?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
On.
sir.
Very good. All right. So, Ronika, do you understand this? Where's Ronika?
Yes, sir.
Good. I want you all to take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. What I want to do now is I want to give you all a quiz on this. So I'm going to put it inside the chat so y'all can have an opportunity to do it. There's going to be a quiz on this. So hopefully y'all are able to get it. Okay. All righty. All right. So again, once you start the quiz, put started inside the chat. Again, once you started the quiz, put started inside the chat. Again, once you started the quiz, put started inside of the chat. All right. Again, once you started the quiz, put started inside the chat so that it can know that you've started the quiz. All right. Again, once you started the quiz, put started inside the chat. Okay, so give you all opportunity to do those quizzes. So we have the hook, we have background information, and we have the thesis statement. Okay. Again, once you started the quiz, you put started inside the chat. O'Neill, where's O'Neill? O'Neill, can you hear me? Where's O'Neill? O'Neill, can you hear me? Where is O'Neill? O'Neill, can you hear me? We lost O'Neill. Omara. Omara.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you sent in your workers yet?
Yes, sir.
Have you started the quiz?
Yes, sir. I just finished one.
Okay, good. Leandra Clark,
Yes, sir.
have you started the quiz?
Yes, sir.
You sent in the notices yet?
No, sir.
Say it again.
No, sir.
Okay. Are you writing it down or are you just writing it down?
I finished. I was just gonna finish the quiz and then.
I'm going to finish for, okay, no problem. And Nikki Oliver. Nikki Oliver. Where's Nikki Oliver? Okay, you're on the tablet. Okay. Have you started the quizzes yet, Nikki? Started, Samaya. Jed Monroe, have you started the quizzes yet?
Yes, I already start on the second one.
Okay, good. Um, okay. Jasmine Moss, have you started the quiz as yet?
Yes, sir.
Which one are you on?
The last one.
The last one. Very good. Once you finish with the quiz, you can take a screenshot of it and send it to me via WhatsApp again. Once you finish with the quiz, take a screenshot of it and send it to me via WhatsApp. Israel, have you finished with the quizzes yet?
I have finished all three.
Okay. You send it to me?
I'm sending it right now.
Okay. All right. Gina. Gina. Yes, Gina.
Yes, sir.
Have you sent a picture of your work?
No, I doing the quiz.
You doing the quiz?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. All right. Davini Gilton, have you sent in your work?
No, sir, I'm still taking the quiz.
Okay. Sion. Yes, Sion.
Yes, sir.
Have you sent in your work?
Yes, sir.
Are you doing the quiz now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. All right. I sent in the quiz. Is there anyone who's finished with the quizzes as yet? Let me know if you finished with this. Is there anyone who's finished with the quizzes? Let me know if you finished with the quizzes.
I have, Mr. Petit.
Say it again.
I finished all.
Okay, good. Once you finish with the quizzes and you send in your notes, you can leave. Again, once you finish with the quizzes and you send in your notes, you can leave. Again,
Good
once
night,
you
Mr.
finish with the
Petit.
quizzes, good night, no problem. Have a wonderful night to you tomorrow. Same time, same place, same link. Okay. See you tomorrow, same time, same place, same link. Again, once you finish with the quizzes and you've sent in the notes, you can leave.
See you tomorrow by God's grace.
No problem. Take care. Again, once you finish with your notes and your quizzes, you can leave. Again, once you finish with your notes and quizzes, you can leave.
Mr. Petit, I have the
Mhm.
same questions twice.
Say it again.
I have the same questions twice.
You have the same quiz tools?
No, I have the same questions twice.
Oh, okay. Well, if that's a repeat, then just answer it twice then.
Okay.
Good night, Mr. Petit. I have a question.
Go ahead.
Are you able to answer the question I asked you on WhatsApp, please?
Yes, I am going to do that. Yeah, sure. Yeah. All right. For those of us who are already done and if you're still working on it, send the essay. Can you send the essay, please? The essay. Or you want the quizzes? Okay, this is the quizzes. All right, take a screenshot of the slide if you don't have it because we're gonna leave right now. I'm gonna see you all on tomorrow evening. All right, gonna see you all tomorrow evening. Have a wonderful evening, everyone. Take care. See you all tomorrow. Same time, same place. Bye-bye, everyone.